Now, while the retail industry moves fast, that certainly isn't the only place that we see this need for speed. Perhaps the fastest development clock cycles of all happen in software. Software teams have a word that describes how they achieve their need for speed. The word is agile, and Codebeamer excels at agile. We all know that software is eating the world. Many parts of a product that were once physical are becoming digital and software-based. You could say that software is eating the bill of material, because that's exactly what's happening. Software is becoming the brain of products, the user experience, and with IoT connectivity, the basis for remote control and monitoring. Plus, software is evergreen, and you can keep updating it long after the product's manufactured. If you want to enjoy the benefits of software in your products, you need to start by getting your software development process right. Because while software enables a growing source of capabilities, it can be a growing source of problems too. What customers have been asking for is best-in-class tools for managing the agile development process for software, but doing so in the context of a product bill of material that contains both physical and digital components. That's why PTC has invested hundreds of millions of dollars in application lifecycle management tools, starting with Integrity a decade ago, and then the more recent acquisition of the next generation Codebeamer suite a year ago. Our goal is to marry best-in-class ALM capabilities with best-in-class PLM capabilities, so you can manage both the software and hardware elements of your product effectively. One company that's embracing this connection between ALM and PLM is Festo, a leader in factory automation. Let's hear from the Festo team about the importance of linking ALM and PLM together to gain traceability throughout the development process.
Festo is a well-known company in the field of factory automation. We serve markets from automotive, from electronic, from food and beverage. We see that technology is changing rapidly in many fields, and we need to be able to adapt quicker to the market to take up new opportunities.
Robots are mechatronic systems, and software is playing a more and more important role. The challenge here is that they have a lot of different requirements coming from different companies, and you have to handle those requirements and bring it as soon as possible into your product. We are trying to have a lean portfolio and make the modification by software. And that means software will explode. And this is what we have to address in our production and also in our development.
PTC provides us increased linkage between ALM and PLM tools.
Traceability is very important for us. It's very important to have a clean traceability from the requirements to the design, to the implementation, to tests.
Of course, we need the data to be everywhere available to everybody. Agile we use mainly in software, but in principle we want to use Agile components all over the company.
Agile is very important for Festo and I think for all industries. We see time is the new currency.
For agile development, the tool set is crucial. Doing Scrum, for example, without the proper tool set just doesn't work. So for us, it is crucial to have a tool set that helps us in doing all the agile requirements and agile developments at Festo, and Codebeamer helps us with that.
As you heard, Festo is developing their embedded software using all the modern agile software development practices, Scrum teams, sprints, Kanban boards, and many of the other tenets of the Agile Manifesto that are widely adopted in standalone software companies like PTC.